you have recruiting. I see this at companies all the time. You have recruiting over here sitting next to like HR people ops or whatever the name is. And then they're reaching out and they're usually not incredible. Like they're not like full-time developers, right? Because they're
Yeah.
recruiting. And then you have the developers sitting in these groups and meetups and these peer groups sitting right next to recruitable people. They're just like, yeah, we're going to Asana. It's like, yeah, like how do you know, make it so that they are aware of like how to pull other great people into, or that even communicating or transmitting the fact that there's a need, just keeping
Right.
that front of mind that, hey, we're always looking for great people at Asana. That way it's on their mind as a topic of conversation when they're in their peer group, right?
Yeah. So I think in general, advice for leaders is your job is to always set context. And uh, as an engineering leader, your job is to always remind people how important recruiting is to your organization. It is, and right now for Asana, given the rate at which the business is growing and our need to get more engineers to solve all the problems that our customers need us to solve, this is a message from the CEO that every week, every all hands, every opportunity we get, we talk about, hey, recruiting is the most important thing we are doing, as it's the number one priority. It's a P0 bug right now. Let's figure it out, how to get more people here, how to get them successful as quickly as possible, how to build more product quickly. It's P0. Let's get this done. So reminding that, but also then having one-on-one conversations about what does that mean. Just knowing that something is important doesn't mean you can solve the problem. You can talk concretely about what is it that you can be doing to help with this. And there's a lot of things that engineers could be doing. They could be doing outreach. They could just be using every opportunity they have where they meet people socially or in technical groups to pitch and just authentically communicate how they enjoy working at Asana and use that. That's a pitch that works. If you see someone who really
Yeah.
enjoys their job, you're like, wow, maybe I want to work there. So we have a phrase called hashtag ABR, always be recruiting. And it's a meme at Asana. Everybody has heard it. Everybody knows what it means. And we have people we hired because somebody met them on a shared lift ride. So yeah, people really believe it.
That's awesome.